What's going on, guys?
What's up, guys?
Welcome back to another episode here in Sneak City. Don't forget, we are located in Seattle, Washington. If you guys are new, you know my famous slogan, we're like 10 minutes north of downtown.
Yeah, make sure to check us out if you guys are ever in the Seattle area. Everything you see us buying these videos you can find on our website, thesneakcity.com, and we are also on Instagram. We post all of the new arrivals on our Instagram story. So you'll see us post on our Instagram story, and then it will hit the website the following night around like 6 to 7 p.m. every single night.
Every night, guys.
Every
we work
night.
really hard to get everything photoed, everything listed.
Yeah.
So you guys got new product every single day to shop from. We've got like 600 items listed right now.
Yep.
Maybe a little bit more. But let's see what deals we get into today, guys.
Let's do it.
Make
Okay,
it a
you guys
little
can
more
just throw up here or whatever, and I'll start looking.
Okay, sounds good.
Is everything DS?
There's one UV that I use, the carbons.
And everything else is DS.
Everything else, yes.
I'll wait down. Did you have prices in mind?
So a lot of these are going to be like bricks, so it was hopefully close to retail.
Okay.
And then for some of these, I'm not asking for too much on this. So.
You do 240 on the dunks?
Yeah. Nothing going to take these. Sure. They end up being a lot different than I thought they would be.
Really?
In person. Yeah.
I've never seen it. I didn't even know they had them.
Yeah, they're
iridescent.
like iridescent mids. Even under a little bit under retail, I think they're going for.
I know some of the mids are not
Yeah.
doing much, but probably get 80 on these.
That's fine. These I got the wrong size. Yeah, the 10 women's.
Did you think it was men's?
Yeah, I thought it was men's.
Oh gosh. Do 80 on these ones too?
Yeah, that's fine. Probably gonna do a trade into. This is cash. That you're talking
This is
about?
cash, yeah.
And I was eyeing those. The Travis Scott highs.
Okay. 90?
Yeah, that's fine.
180?
Yeah, fine. Yeah, I hit twice.
Nice.
Comfort one.
Green ones?
Yeah. I thought they do a lot better, but
I know. I think I like the denim on them. They're cool. 90 on these?
yeah, fine. And the palm lows.
70 on these?
Here's what you need offer for this.
Ooh.
It hasn't done well at all. I don't know why no one likes it, but.
Did you get worn or DS?
Nope. DS. Yeah, the resale is like I think it was even going for under retail at one point. I think. Yeah, it's a
We
really
have
cool.
a women's pair that's been here for a while that I wish was just a little bit bigger. Do you know how much you wanted on these?
Close to retail, I'd be happy, but whatever you can.
Do 100?
That's fine. Impulse buy. Yeah, on a shop shop. I'm like, oh, that's cool, but I don't think I'd ever wear them. Those just came out. I think it's 90 retail.
Do 70?
75.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think we'll buy. Once they see, like some people can dig that color.
Yeah, they're not bad.
Those are gonna make a comeback.
The mochas? Yeah, they did go down a little bit. Huh?
Yeah.
Did you do 4 on them?
Yeah. I'm being a little bit too satiny for me.
These ones, really?
Yeah. I had an older pair of Lowe's, and they were very matte black, and I thought these would be the same as that.
Yeah,
Because I beat them to hell. But when I saw the women's, like, oh wait. But,
all the newer Jordans, they have that fake leather.
yeah, this one's the yes. That one's not. The Citrons are.
70 on these?
Yeah, it's fine. It's going out non-DS pair.
Is it the Citron as well?
No, the Citron is a DS, but this one is used just a few times. But
200 on the Citron?
yeah,
140 on these?
it's fine. back did you just out of them? Yeah, the Gary's go in a different box too.
Right? And they have a completely different like look to them.
Yeah.
Really different.
They feel
So,
differently.
I'm gonna keep the gray school one.
And they have the men's retail too now.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Goes to retail be fine.
It feels like 180.
Yeah.
I'm just trying Googling it. I'm like, you know,
Like
I figure it's
120.
like a whole different, sneaker community now. No.
That's fine. These are the new colors. What's gonna go on? What's it? Tokyo?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is one we both hit on
Nice.
for her size. I know we know she wanted it.
Both the same size?
Yeah, because like well, no, I wanted it's like she wanted it for. She works at UW, so it's like.
Oh,
But I like the dark color.
Yeah.
So
You can wear them to work?
I can wear them to work.
Nice.
So why not, right?
Right. Cool. 80?
It's fine. These we just got the order the wrong size, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We ordered them over, I think, across the pond, so we didn't understand the sizing as much.
Damn.
Yeah. I like them.
Box paper is interesting. I've never seen you do
Yeah.
that before.
A little extra and shiny.
A little extra. Different sound than normal. 150.
That's good. I wish your cause 10s had the right laces.
I know.
Every time I look at them, I'm like, it's so weird. Did he just bring it in like that?
I had got them in a trade, or I bought them online or something, and the dude like took those out and misplaced them.
Oh, that's too bad.
Alright. 60 on these dunks.
That's fine. You have those Travis Scott highs.
I do have replacement ones for them though, if you're interested.
Oh, let me see.
I had to order them. I forgot to put them in there.
Tempting. Can I take a look at those?
Yeah.
Take a look at that, and then the Travis Scott 10s. I got them too. I really want to do shoes. How much are these going for now? Like full BS, like 4,000 something?
Close to that, yeah, I think so.
So what are you looking at a
2,225.
That's cash?
That's cash.
We did.
Trade probably be around 2450. Anastasia, do you know if there's any more size 10 cups?
Not here.
Not here. And then anything you can stuff in the side. In that deal, he traded these shoes plus $325 for our dead stock Travis Scott highs and multi-green Sakai waffles.
All right, Tia. What is your most favoriteest sneaker in shop right now?
My most favorite.
Let's do favorite that's not in your personal collection.
I'm gonna do interesting
Okay.
first. This one, this is like the postal. I don't know if I think they just ripped off like the design and like the little label back here, but it's almost like I don't know how to explain it. It's like a weird like. I think this is like a super cool shoe.
Would you wear it?
Definitely would not wear it.
Okay.
What size is it?
What size is it? This is
Say 11.
size 11, $195. If you want to look
That's a
like you're wearing a
steal.
shipping box on your foot, go cop it.
Maybe get our USPS lady to cop those and wear them at work.
Yeah, she needs to put her certified stamp on it.
Okay, my turn. Let's see. It's different for us being in here only on weekends now, because whenever I come in, it's like, oh, this is new, just because they get so many pairs throughout the week that we don't see in person. Go ahead.
I just bought this one for myself. It's the Wolf Gray Jordan 1 Low. Such a nice looking shoe.
It is.
I'm super excited for it to come in.
Super clean, you can wear it with whatever. All right, I got the J Balvins. Since these came out, they're so crazy, just the colorways of all over them. I don't think I would ever wear it because it's really loud, but I do appreciate it, like all the little rips and cuts that they did, the different patterns of the cuts here. Super cool shoe, but again, not one that I think I could pull off. Now that you guys have seen some of our favorite pairs / most unique pairs in shop, comment down below what pair you guys want to add to your collection, what pair you might really like I said, but you don't think you can quite pull it off, or just one of your guys' favorite sneakers.
Drop it down below. You guys just looking to get cash?
I am going to get it. Gotta keep her collection growing. She can finally walk, so it's like I get to see her in all the
She does.
shoes.
She looks bigger, for
Yeah.
sure. She is growing.
She's almost one. She'll be one in like 10 days.
She's tall.
Yeah, she's like
super
97th percentile for height.
Right? She's so cute.
Yeah. I can talk a lot too. I can say a lot of words.
Hey, show me your Birdman. Show me your hand rub. She watches everyone do hand sanitizer all the time, so she just sits here and little Birdman.
Cute.
She like crawled one day and then started running.
Nice.
This was like the best sneakers month we've had in a long time.
That's what I'm saying. Right?
Yeah.
Finally.
Yeah.
$400 on these guys?
420?
Excited to wear them? She's like, sure.
Yeah. Yeah, it's so funny. She'll be jealous of the kid with the Batman sneakers in school.
Right. $230 on the Lightnings.
That's cool.
$250 on the Sakai's.
Yeah.
$250 for both Collins. $1150 minus. So I owe you $1,000.
She can get birthday presents. We're gonna let her go.
When's her birthday?
It's September 10th.
Nice. Ooh, just in a couple days then, huh? And that deal, he traded these pairs above for our fragment dunk highs, and we added $1,000 on top.
Yeah, those PSG ones I didn't bring. They're just going for retail.
Are they the 7s?
Yeah, the 7 PSG ones. I thought, man, all right, Messi's there. It's on.
I know,
And
the
then
colorway is like.
It's
the
a
blue
beautiful
and
shoe
red.
too, and
I
I'm
know.
like, man, I'm gonna hold on to it for a long time. Just what you want to hear, huh?
Stack them up in the
Yeah.
closet.
Right. The more the better, right?
That's right.
Funny.
He'll send me like whatever that app or whatever. He'll be like,
The
can you try to
sneakers
get
app.
these? And I'm like,
No.
Yeah, exactly. She's a good
not
sport
when
about
it drops at like 6 in the morning or whatever, you know. No, I try my best.
Just gonna get cash.
Yeah.
How much? Do you know how much you're looking for?
I was hoping to get 6 for the 2. I was around, however that works out. I mean, I think
Can we do 5 for both of them?
550.
I'd probably just take these if we can't do 5 at like 330.
330 on those.
Yeah.
Where are you at on these ones?
Just right around retail. It would be like 510 I could do. How's it going?
5. So 380 on these.
It'd be like 330, so minus like 1.
330.
Yeah, 510 minus 180. So yeah, it'd be like 330 and 180 for the breakdown.
Could you do 350 on these?
I'd really like to stay just like at that 510 or 330.
Okay, let's do. I'll do 330 on these.
Okay, and hold on to these
And I'll
ones.
hold on to these.
Okay.
Yeah.
In that deal, we bought his off-white lot 4 dunks for $330.
3s?
No. I'm actually the Dunks lot
Oh yeah,
off white.
Yep.
Yes. I was thinking about like doing like a. I want to do a legit check on these. I'm keeping these.
No plastic cover for him.
Oh, it came with a plastic
It did?
cover. I just took it off before I came. I was hoping to do a trade for the lots for these two.
Okay. Yeah, these look good to me.
Okay, no. Thank you.
And then I think, I don't know, I'd have to check what size I have.
Can we have these at 450? These two for those?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
So cute. It should be like Daria.
Yeah.
in that deal. He traded Hyper Royal Jordan 1s and AJKO Jordan 1s for our off-white dunks.
We are here to close out this episode, guys. It is Saturday. It was a little bit slower today, but we got some good pairs. We got some classics. We got some new shoes. We got some shoes that everybody wants. Don't forget everything I'm about to show you. You can find it on our website at thesneakcity.com. But what do we got? We've got size 10 DS mochas. We've got the new Space Jam with Bugs Bunny there. Air Force Ones. These are also size 10. We got a lot of size 10, 10.5 today. The new Pollens, these are a lot nicer in person than they were on the photos, as well as the Lightnings. Woo. We got a lot of yellows in here today. These are 2 of them. These are both size 10.5. We've got a quote-unquote Pollen low, Jordan 1 low. These are a size 10. And then up yonder, we've got the off-white rubber dunk
All the
in a
yellow
size
options.
A lot of yellow, like I said. What else we got? We got another pair of the Amaniers 3s. 10.5 on these as well in men's. We've got 2 pairs of 2016 white cement 4s, DS size 8.5 and then a pre-owned size 12. Classic right here. Some of the Zoom Comforts. Not much to say about these. I don't know much about them. We're just gonna leave it at that. What else we got down there, Tia?
Some off-white UNCs, size 11, pre-owned. Got a bunch of different Jordan 1 Jordan 1 lows. Some Hyper Royals, some Court Purples. Bunch of good stuff.
Bunch of good stuff today. Like we said at the beginning of this video, we try really hard to make sure we photo everything and list it every night. So if you guys are following us on Instagram, you know when our drop time is, you know what's gonna drop. So The Sneak City is our Instagram. Make sure you guys are following us there. But for now, we out.
We out, guys.